Hello. So the next company that we are going to be focusing on, the recruitment agency, is Huxley. So once again, we can simply search on Google what Huxley is. So they are tech, commercial banking, and finance recruitment agency. So these are the roles that they are hiring, but they are working in all of the industries. They are a very big company. They have expanded around all over the world. So you can see where they operate. They are in Japan, France, Belgium, and many other countries. But right now, what we want to do is simply search for jobs. We can enter any keyword. Let's say I want to have a talent acquisition position. So I'll just write talent and I want location as United Arab Emirates. If that is the filler, let's type it out. So what it will do is it will filter out the job for me. Let's see, there is actually one job with the name of head of talent acquisition. They've mentioned the date this role was open or posted on, so I can simply click on the role and we can see once again the job description, how many years of experience you need, and whatever information is there. You can simply click on apply for this job. Once you click, you can upload your file over here and simply do whatever you want to do, and that will be good enough for you to go forward. Similarly, let's say I don't want to filter the talent option. I just need the United Arab Emirates filter. So we can see that currently only one job is open for the head of talent acquisition. Nothing else is open right now with this company. So like I mentioned prior to this, that you need to then go to LinkedIn, check out the LinkedIn recruiters, the recruiters that are available within the company working in Dubai, and also the LinkedIn itself for this. So let's see over here. What I'll do is we have already filtered out Huxley. So currently Huxley is hiring for 542 roles overall in the world. Since it's mentioned as worldwide, what I'll simply do is once again filter out on UAE, and it is only giving one job, which was once again available on the career website as well. So it means that they are updating quite frequently, properly, that both of these actually match. So what we can do is, in the next scenario, we can simply search for Huxley, and I don't want actually anything else. I just want Huxley to be available over here, and simply click on people. So if I have my location as UAE, we can even filter it out furthermore. So let's say I want only United Arab Emirates. Let's see if any employees pop up. So currently does show us 3 employees. So you can open one of the employees and then once again see if any job posts relate to the opening that you are currently looking for, and then you can apply. So yeah, this is our second company, which is Huxley. And